morning, everybody. If you still haven't seen my last upload, I did a day in the life kind of thing, but I'm actually just gonna start doing my vlogs like that because you guys seem to enjoy them more like that, the way that I edit them on those specific kinds of videos. So yeah. So I'm trying to find my car. Oh, I see it. It's over there. I just got out of lecture, but I used my phone to record the lecture, so that's why I didn't record anything in there. My car though, to get my ID to check out a book, because I have a book report, and if I turn it in early, I get extra points. Yeah, here you go.
And what's your ID number? Okay, this will be due February 19th.
Okay, thank you. Yay! I'm actually pretty excited to read this, but I'm gonna go to my second campus for lecture for microbiology, and then after that it's lab for microbiology. But my lecture is with one professor and my lab is with another professor. So that's a little bit weird, but that's just the way that it worked out for me, because his lab is before the lecture, and I didn't have time for that because I'm here in this campus before his lecture. So I had to like apply for 2 different professors, which is still fine. It's not a big deal. They're both really cool. I'm pretty sure that that's my class right there. I don't recognize the people in it, so I'm just gonna wait for more people to get in and see if I recognize one of them. But I'm pretty sure that's my class. I always sit right here.
Like all my notes are recorded.
5 till.
Let me record it.
You know what I did to help you? This week too? That I was looking at PowerPoint.
Look what Levi did to my computer. He put those cute little stickers. He told me I better show my friends, but I don't have any. So I just got to the free tutoring room. She gave this out, and this I am filling in with important definitions that I need to learn. She gave out protein bars, a good thing too, because I was hungry. But the tutoring's free, and like I have time between my lecture and labs.
So an example, without looking at your notes, if I said, I have a bacteria that has a Lophotrichus flagella, what would you tell me about the arrangement? Bundled at one end. That would be a good answering choice. Something I would also I would just memorize them for the fact that he might put them in a way where it's like.
Alright guys, We filled out most. I had to leave half an hour early because I have lab at 1. So almost all of us left because we're all almost all in the same classes, which kind of sucks because she's such a great tutor and she gets like left with like 2 students. It's this way. Guys, so I just spent like 5 minutes looking for this freaking hair tie and it was right there on my front seat. So now I'm late to lab. I'm like 2 minutes past already. This guy opened my door because he saw me running. He was so nice. Here's my backpack hitting my back.
Except for me, your neighbor is a...
Guys, I ended up forgetting that I had a test in micro lab, so we just had to stain bacteria and be able to show her in the microscope that you were able to find the pink and purple stains. I don't know what those are called, but all we needed to do was to be able to do it. So I ended up getting 100. I was really happy. So I already have the stuff out. I'm gonna just make pasta with shrimp real quick. You're happy? Okay guys, I positioned the phone over here where we have... What are you doing? That's so weird. What's wrong? He has a little callus and he keeps trying to take it off with anything he can think of. Mama. Yes. No, baby. So, let me get this shrimp. It's already thawed out. Let me just empty out if there's any water. Oh no. Okay, ready? Uh-oh. You gotta move this, baby. You gonna help me?
Oh, okay.
Careful, 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 careful. Oh, there was still water. It's okay.
Here's the water.
Yeah, it's okay.
Mama, you heard fish.
I heard the fish?
Yes.
That wasn't me. No, baby, don't do that. That's weird.
That's clean.
Okay, Levi, do you know what's next?
What?
Do you know what we do next? Can you tell me?
Okay.
What happens then?
Mm-hmm.
What do you need to do now? Tell me. Remember? Do you remember we did this the other day?
Grab.
Grab what? The towels? No, baby, don't do that. Look, I'll show you. Ready? Like this. You squeeze.
Can I squeeze too?
Yes. There you go. How's that? Yay. Very good job. Over there, over there. Thank you.
Sorry.
I'm sorry if you guys hear the neighbors. I have like a window right here and their front entrance is like right there too. So.
Oh, here's the water. Ooh, that's how many water, Mama.
Yes.
I squeeze it. I squeeze, Mama.
Yay.
Next.
Thank you so much.
Next, Mama.
Next. And I'm trying to like not cover. You can do it.
Gotcha. More crabs.
Yay.
I like it. You had crab. You had crab, Mama.
I already have some water in there because I had my gallon, but I finished it, so yeah. Did you drop a shrimp?
No, I dropped the fish.
I guess he doesn't know they're called shrimp. ¿Cómo se llama?
Shrimp.
Yay, okay.
It's hot?
It's gonna get hot. Can you smile?
Let's see water.
The water you want to see?
Yay, water. Can I put the fish?
Oh, but that's not for the fish. This one's for the fish.
Okay, that's one for the
Pero ¿cómo se llama?
Um,
¿Cómo se llama?
shrimp.
Yeah.
It's Papi. Open the door.
Okay, I threw away the trash. This is starting to boil a little bit. I'm gonna get the stuff we're gonna need.
Yay, stuff, Mama.
Yeah.
Mama, stuff, stuff, stuff. Stuff, stuff, stuff.
Aw.
Like fishy. Mama, shrimp.
Can you spread it? Spread. There you go. You wanna put them in here?
Yes.
We gotta season them first, okay?
Scissors. Yay.
Hey. So I actually got this for the shrimp. You wanna put it on? Open it. There you go. Keep going, keep going.
With the trash, Papi.
Thank you.
One more, come on. You can do it.
Yay, there you go. So I try not to put seasoning on like my pans and stuff. That's why
That's so fun.
I do it on here first because I just don't like it. You think that's good? What is that? No, don't take it off.
No way.
What? That's it. There you go. Over there. Bring him over here. Like this. Okie dokes, you can put it in now.
Okay, Mom. Hey, one more.
Or actually, you know what? Hold on. Let me heat this up hot because since these are already cooked, I don't want them to cook as it heats. I just want to get them like toasted, I guess. Yeah, I'll put it on high for a second. You have to wait though. In a second, okay?
Okay, this one.
In a second.
I don't want to feed.
Now that the water is boiling, I'm gonna add the things that I need in here.
Hey, Mama. What do you need, Mama? Mama.
Some salt. I love my food salty, so I'm sorry if like y'all might need to adjust to y'all's own liking.
Mama, ouch. Mama,
Hmm?
ouch. Target, head. Mama,
You know what? I actually want more salt.
look at this, Mama. Ouch. Whoops. Mama, look at me.
What are you laughing at? What? What?
Mama, I eat.
What you think, Devin?
Look, what is hot?
It is hot.
What
Yeah.
is hot?
Okay, I'm gonna dump out this water since it's done.
That's hot, Mama.
Oh, I'm gonna drop it. I better not drop this. Oh my god, I better not drop this. Ooh,
Oh,
so yummy.
so yummy. I made cookie for Mama.
Oh, he said for mama. Okay.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's freaking go.
Love you.
Mama,
Oh, 2 hands.
Mama, wait, Mama. Mama, wait. Mama,
Wow.
it's a present.
It's a present. I covered it up so I can clean up real quick and it'll stay warm for us. not because you say please.
Please.
Baby, you can't touch it. One for Levi. One for me. Ooh, it's still steamy. Oh no. Look at him. We're going to Walmart to get corn to feed the ducks. Yeah. He's very happy about that, as you can see. Who's my boo-boo bear? Yes. Oh, sorry. Okay, come on, we gotta go now. We gotta go. We're crossing. Look how many I have. And this one has 1. So we're gonna have 3 each. You happy? You excited? Yeah, go for it. Oh, I've already done 1. There you go. Okay, go. I don't think he likes the light. It's okay, baby. You gotta do it like this. Do it. There you go. Give it to me. Yay! Oh! Yeah, put it back. There you go, boo boo. He's sleeping. Oh, my baby's so cute. We made it, guys. I'm holding all this stuff. There are way more ducks this time around, like way more. Let me get them to come over here, okay? That might, maybe they're not hungry. I don't know. Have I? Good job. Okay, let's see if they come now, okay? There you go. They're coming. Thank you. Next? Okay, come on, let me open it. What? Open it? Okay. So, I'm trying to remember. I do like the book. I'm trying to memorize all of these tissues right here. Dales. Okay, I think that's enough, baby. Huh? Thank you. Yay, we got a swan to come over. Go give him some more, Levi. Dale más. So we're gonna go ahead and go. Hey, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, friends. Mama.
Mm.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Bye-bye. Come on, baby. Show me your hands. Come on. Our hands are sticky. Clean them. Hazle con las manitas. Ready? Ay, papi, you got Valentina on that? So if you guys remember this part from last time, I posted a vlog a couple months ago. We came here the first time and it was like basically empty, and now it's like alive. There's so many people here. Baby, people don't know that you're being a zombie, so like...
What?
Yesterday, Levi told me something very sad. He told me that he wants friends. And so that's why we're here. Let's go talk to the kids.
Okay.
Yeah. That smile. Oh my goodness. What? Come on. His little, okay. You wanna go over here or you wanna go over here? ¿Dónde quieres ir? Yay. Okay, you wanna go down the slide?
Okay.
Go play. Hey, you want me to go play with you or you want me to sit down?
I want friends.
You want friends?
Like my home.
You want me to go up? Hey, you want me to go up or no?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. I was hoping he'd say no so I could study a little bit more.
Friends.
Hold on. Hey, you okay? Baby, you okay? It's alright, come on. It's okay. Alright, I've had my chips in my hand, but I want to get candies. We ended up getting candies at the Walmart.
Go inside, Mama.
Yeah, let's go inside. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Now I'm scared. Go ahead, Mama.
Oh, I'm dropping the candies.
Can I have candy?
Yeah, you can have some.
No, that's trash.
I know it's trash. I'm putting it in my bag. Here. Hold this one and go in the tunnel. Let's go in the tunnel. Oh my god, it's so cramped in here.
Okay, Mama. No. You're gonna fall in the head.
I'm gonna fall and get hurt. Oh, it's a slide.
It's a green slide.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Mama, it's a red slide. It's like a red slide.
You ready to go down? I'm holding the candies and the chips. Ready? Come on. I'm scared too. That hurt. That hurt so bad. That was not fun.
That was fun.
I got plastic burn on my ankle. I didn't like that one. Maybe because Levi was on me, but... You want to go to the other playground?
Yes.
Okay. Look, I can spin you. You want to go over here? Okie dokes. Ready? 1. Hold on. Sit right here in the middle. Sit right here and put one leg. There you go. Now hold on to this one. There you go. Ready? Faster? Okay. Okay, I need to like just push him on without holding the phone because he wants to go fast. Let's go. Go.
Yummy.
You can go next. We'll wait.
Let's go. Ready? 1. You go first, okay? Alright guys, now seriously, I'm going to study because I haven't like been focusing, and I need to. So yeah, this will probably be the last clip from this park. You guys, I just emptied out this entire little bag for her. Let's see if she likes it. Yes! It's catnip, by the way. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have so much mess to clean up. I think she's very happy. Hey. I didn't even realize that this was so freaking loud. It's because Levi's watching Plants vs. Zombies. I hope the music doesn't copyright us. Hey guys, sorry that the camera is such bad quality and that it's kind of been bad quality. It's because I've been recording with my phone for like the past month or so. Because the day that I recorded my brother's proposal, I lost the battery. Like, I don't even know where it could be. I'm very forgetful and I lose a lot of my stuff all the time. I started studying some more. I'm watching Netflix now. Levi's dad picked Levi up to go see his tia from that side of the family. And like I actually like cook bacon strips. So like, yeah. I just wanted like a snack.
Wanted to see you, sir.
I love this bacon.